Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I would like to thank the committee and those who have given me the opportunity to present the latest research article in this forum. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Malik Martin from Bandung Institute of Technology. I am the first author in this paper. And co-author is Budi Raharjo, and he is my supervisor in School of Electrical Engineering and Informatics, Bandung Institute of Technology. In this opportunity, I would like to present about my research paper that titled Framework for Collecting and Analysis PE Malware Using Modern Honey Network. In this presentation, I will discussing about 5 points. The firstly is introduction. In introduction, I will talking about the background, problem, and objective in this research. And secondly, related work. In related work, I will talking about previous research, and in this point, I will discussion about gap in this research. And the next is proposed framework. In this section, we discuss framework. We are proposing in details. And then the experiment is testing in the proposed framework that has been discussed. And then finally, I will explain the draw from the test result. We know that about malware development in 2014. GData report that from 2006 to 2014, there was increased in new type of malware. In the first semester of 2014, there was nearly 2 million malware, new type malware has been increased. And then while in the second semester, it's more than 2.3 times to more than 4 million new malware. So that overall in 2014, there was nearly 6 million new malware. And now in this paper, we know that have three malware analysis. The firstly, static analysis, dynamic analysis, and artificial intelligence. In the first, static analysis is a technique to identify malware based on signature. So in this technique, static didn't need execute malware. In the second is dynamic analysis. The dynamic analysis is a technique to identifying malware based on behavior. In this way, the malware is executed on the virtual machine, and then so that the behavior is our to know this behavior. And finally, we are using artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence, malware is identified based on learning that the system has been learned. Usually detect malware by machine learning or deep learning. But in all three of these techniques, you require malware sample to work. Uh, we know that a honeypot is a system that durability allowed to be attacked and can analyze information from the attacker. The advantage of a honeypot is uh, that in addition to getting attack information, it can also collect malware samples. So in this paper, we propose a framework from collecting portable executable malware using modern honey network. In this paper, our goal is to develop a honeypot. In the second, we do feature extraction, and addition, we classify type of malware using VirusTotal service. In Honeypot, we use modern honey network and Dionaya as a sensor for capture malware sample. We use modern honey network because easy installation and visualization are hallmark of modern honey network. In state of the art, there are at least three similar studies and research using modern honey network as conducted by Muhammad Abdul Kibeita, Chris Moore, and Amir, and the last paper by Abdel Jalil Agnew. Muhammad Abdul Beita proposed a standard analysis methodology by preparing an analysis tool, and this research offered a honeypot design using modern honey network to catch malware. And the second paper conducted by Chris Moore and Amir Al-Nemrat, they conducted an experiment using MHN honeypot or with the Dionaya sensor as a malware sensor, and then Kipo as a sensor to detect brute force attack. And the last paper by Abdel Jalil Agnew, and this research proposed a distributed honeypot based architecture within the DMZ environment in many institutions in Morocco. Honeypot, they use Dionaya as a sensor honeypot, and then Kipo as a brute force, and then poof and snort sensor to collect information attack. But in the professor's research, we have got research from the previous research. Firstly, in previous research only provide information malware. So malware sample is not analyzed, and then the dynamic analysis is not effective because there is no balance between increased malware and technique and dynamic analysis, because the dynamic analysis needs to analyze malware one by one. And the last malware based on PE, there is not available in other article. So in this research, we conducted analyze in PE malware using analysis static based on non-signature. In proposed framework, we have two main stage. The firstly, malware gathering. In this stage of malware gathering is to capture malware and provide sample malware from the honeypot. And the second, malware extraction. If sample malware captured, we can extract its malware. In the malware gathering, we have MHN data report. They provide malware information to administrator. The information consists the date of attack, name of server, IP and attacker port, and other information about attack. And then in malware gathering, we have Dionaya sensor to provide malware samples. In the next step is malware extraction. After we have sample malware, you can extract signature. In step of signature extraction, we extract MD5 hash on malware samples. MD5 hash on malware samples is used for identify malware from VirusTotal, and we use for the next step. The next step is feature extraction. In this step is process to extract malware feature based on the portable executable format structure. And then malware extraction and the analysis of malware extraction is classifying malware type. In feature extraction, we done to determine the type of malware to ensure that malware that after feature extraction is PE malware. In the next point of our discussion is experiment. In before we conducting test of uh, proposed framework, we install a requirement system. And firstly, we deployment virtual private server, and the virtual private server we deployment Honeypot. And then after installing modern Honey network, we install malware sensor in the virtual private server. After system deployment, every malware samples are stored in /opt/dionaya /var /lib /dionaya and /binaries. In here, we know that this is malware samples. And then after stored malware, we extract malware. In this is a step of malware extraction. After gathering malware samples, we extraction malware. In this step, we only extract malware samples based on PE file. And for example, if sample malware is not PE, we will eliminate. In here, eliminates like malware like NE file or ELE file or Linux malware or IoT malware and other. In here, we extract only portable executable. And after extraction, we identify malware type to ensure that we extract only PE malware. In here, we can see that Win32 is format Windows for PE file format. In conclusion, we have framework from collecting PE malware using Modern Honey network has been proposed. And then Modern Honey network also has been developed, and Dionaya sensor managed to collect. And then we conducted proposed framework and capturing malware sample and extract malware. Maybe that's all for this presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.